Hi, I'm Michael Pfeiffer from Industrial Metallurgists. Some people think metallurgists know how to turn lead to gold. This elusive transformation is possible, though it's outrageously expensive. More on that later. But if you're a manufacturer, there is an affordable way to turn problems to profits through metallurgy. The fact is, many product problems are related to the metals used in the products. This includes high product costs, product delays, and manufacturing quality issues. All of these eat into profits, and they don't have to be a fact of life. These problems can be transformed to profits by applying the metallurgical engineering approach. Unlike trying to turn lead to gold, the transformation from problem to profit is not expensive, and in fact, the return on investment can be huge. And a few examples of how metallurgical engineering can be applied to increase profits include using lower cost metals in the product, selecting metals that enable products to pass product testing the first time so you can launch your product on time, and using failure analysis to quickly find the root cause of manufacturing quality problems so that they do not linger and where the costs add up. So why do the problems persist? Well, one big reason is that a critical piece of engineering expertise is missing from many engineering teams, and that's metallurgical engineering expertise. Unfortunately, many companies don't have metallurgical engineers on staff. Instead, engineers with expertise in other fields of engineering make decisions and try to solve problems that involve metals and where metallurgy expertise is needed. These are skilled engineers, but they have little or no training in metallurgy, and their expertise is not in material selection, materials testing and analysis, and the effects of use and processing on materials properties and performance. And because of this knowledge gap and experience gap, there are design, manufacturing, and sourcing decisions that are not optimum, and efforts to solve problems are hampered. As for turning lead to gold, well, it really is possible, but you need a particle accelerator along with some lead foil. With the particle accelerator, protons and neutrons are accelerated to near light speed, and they crash into the atoms in the lead foil. And if they knock 3 protons out of the lead atoms, the lead is transformed from lead to gold. The problem with this is that it's really expensive to build a particle accelerator, and minute amounts of gold are created. So the cost is about $1 billion per ounce, which is pretty expensive. If you're interested in exploring ways to apply metallurgical engineering to increase your profits, let us know. Our contact information is in the video description. Just reach out to us and we can set up a time to meet, discuss your project or problems, and see if there are ways we can help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your metals. Bye.